Recording.
Alright, we're going to hit my favorite road. I have a feeling there's going to be traffic on this road today. My motorcycle ride started at the wrong time. The wrong time. I think every church on Tennessee 68 unleashed all their hypocrites at the same time. 68 was painful. There's at least 2 churches in this little area, and I'm hoping they're already at Telecafe having lunch. But already we've seen 3 cars, and if you watch any of my other 5 videos on this road, 3 cars is more than I've seen on all those videos combined. There is usually no one out here. Well, U.S. mail's flying today. That dude must be doing air mail. These new Michelin Pilot Towers feel great. I'm gonna have to order another set and stick them up on the shelf. $300 for a set of tires. I don't foresee motorcycle tires getting any cheaper. Been a lot of dead squirrels on the road too today. If you make it through my video, if you make it to the end of this video, I got some great news for you when I leave that last stop sign. I'm not going to give you a spoiler, but I'm going to tell you that, or that is my spoiler, I guess. I'm not going to tell you what it is until I get back on 360. And then I'm going to give you some news that if you're a visitor to this area, a regular visitor to this area, it's going to make your day. The weather's actually pretty nice today. It wasn't supposed to hit 70. It's probably about 65 now. This bike doesn't have a temp gauge, doesn't have a ambient temperature gauge. So I can't tell you exactly what the temperature is right now. but I'm thinking it's a comfortable 65. I almost jumped on the Cheerhala Skyway, but opted for this route because I know the Cheerhala is going to be freezing cold up there at the top. It might even snow up there tomorrow. In this part of the mountains, we see all 4 seasons, all in the same day. This road's awesome. If you come here on vacation, you need to hit me up. I'll go for a ride with you. As long as you're not a squid, I'll ride with you. I leave the Amazon warehouse at 9 in the morning, and I'm usually on a motorcycle by 10 a.m. And if you're over in the Clayton, Georgia area, you need to check out a restaurant called the Rusted Bike. The Rusted Bike Cafe. It's on 441 south of Clayton. It's really good. I rate restaurants on their onion rings. And yesterday I got a hamburger with fries. The fries were hot, they were okay. They could have stayed in the oil a little bit longer, but the onion rings were delightful. I'm going to say they do their onion rings in the same oil that they cook their fish in, or the onion ring batter was the same as their fish batter. I'm going to say they cook it in the same oil as the fish. Because the onion rings kind of had a fish taste to it, and it was good. There's my old Corvette. Man, that car was a piece of crap. We've already seen 5 cars on this road today. That might be the most cars I've ever seen on this car. But anyway, yeah. Rusted Bike Cafe, Clayton, Georgia. Just delightful. Made it by that church before they got out. Alright. We're on Old Ball Play School Road, coming up to 360. You all know that 360 is Ball Play Road. And we're going to go straight here at the stop sign. So from here, from 360, that stop sign at that intersection, this road all the way to Sloan's Market. Sloan's is the BP at the red light when you get back to 411. It's going to be repaved. So all this patchwork you see that they're doing on this road, they're cutting out all the potholes and they're putting in fresh pavement. And this patchwork